In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 7 awesome ways for you to begin making money online. You can start these side hustles with little to zero money up front. And you can even run them from your phone, no matter where you are in the world. I know that for some of you, earning money online might seem overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. However, there are tons of options out there and it can be hard to know where to begin. That's why I'm here to guide you through these great money earning side hustles so you can pick one and get started earning money online without any experience whatsoever. I know that there are lots of opportunities out there for you to make money online because there are so many markets you can tap into. My goal today is to help you explore opportunities and find something that works for you. I get it. It can be tough to figure out where to start and how to navigate all the information out there. But don't worry, I've got your back. My YouTube channel is here to provide you with free, beginner-friendly education on making money online. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. I help everyday people like you make money online using simple strategies and tools because I know how tough it can be to make ends meet, which is why I'm passionate about sharing these methods to help you earn passive income online and to help you succeed financially. So if this resonates with you, then you're in the right place. All I ask in return is for you to show some love by liking, subscribing and sharing this video with your friends and family to help our channel grow. Please also leave me a comment below letting me know how you're getting on. Now let's dive into these great side hustle ideas for beginners so you can start earning money online. First up, we have reselling apps. If you need to make money fast, this is a perfect option for you. You can start with $0 and no special skills. All you need is stuff lying around your home that you don't use anymore, like clothes, books, or makeup. There are popular apps like Mercari, Poshmark, and Depop, where you can list your items for sale. Personally, I prefer Mercari because it's user-friendly and people tend to make good money on it. When you make a sale, they will even email you with a shipping label so you can send your item off to the buyer without having to buy anything extra. So if you're looking to declutter and make some extra cash, then these reselling apps are definitely worth a try. You'll be surprised by how many people are out there are looking to buy your stuff. Number 2, all right, let's talk about another cool way to make some extra cash. UGC, which stands for User Generated Content. Basically, brands are willing to pay regular people like you to create content featuring their products. Instead of shelling out big bucks to influencers, they're happy to pay smaller creators anywhere from $150 to $500 just for one video. This is such a great side hustle because you can start from scratch with no money. And if you're a woman who loves makeup or skincare, then there's a huge market for this in the beauty world. Many girls start out doing this as a side gig and end up making thousands of dollars every week, all from the comfort of their own home. Now, if you're new to making content, don't worry. I didn't know anything about it when I first started either. But the more you practice, the better you get. Trust me, if you put in effort, you can definitely succeed in this hustle. To get started, all you need to do is create a professional profile on Instagram and or TikTok. Start posting reviews of products you already have at home, making sure to use the right keywords. Eventually, brands will start reaching out to you, asking you to create for them content. You can charge anywhere from $100 to $300 as a beginner. And as you get more experienced and more companies come knocking, you can increase your rates. But remember, the key to success here is to create high quality content, and that comes with practice. So keep honing your skills, and before you know it, you'll be making money left and right with this side hustle. Number 3, let's talk about another awesome way to make extra money. We've got drop shipping. This is a great option if you want to start an online business without needing a lot of cash up front. With drop shipping, you act as the middleman between the buyer and the supplier. Basically, you find cool products, list them on your website, and when someone buys from you, the supplier ships the item directly to the buyer. You pocket the difference as profit. There are tons of products you can sell, so the sky's the limit. Number 4, if you're into fashion, starting a fashion account could be perfect for you. Here's the strategy. Focus on fashion as your niche and post short videos on TikTok and Instagram Reels. So, short form content is hot right now, and it's the fastest way to grow your social media following. With just a few viral videos, you could gain tens of thousands of followers in a month. Once your page starts growing, you'll attract brand deals and earn affiliate commissions. Believe it or not, some people are making 6 figures just by posting videos of themselves trying on different outfits. And you don't have to be a supermodel or have a perfect body. There's room for everyone in the fashion world. Plus, you can even make videos without showing your face if you prefer, although showing your face tends to help you connect better with your audience. So, start posting simple fashion videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. As your following grows, you'll start making passive income. And remember, there's no limit to how much you can earn on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So go ahead and dive into the world of fashion content creation. Number 5, all right, let's talk about another way to make some extra money online. It's affiliate marketing with Amazon. Basically, there are folks on TikTok and Instagram who focus on sharing cool stuff they find on Amazon. When they post about a product, someone buys it through their link, they earn a commission. And get this, even Amazon itself has a program where people get paid to do this. You don't have to limit yourself to just one platform. You can share your Amazon finds everywhere on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, you name it. Just snap a video of the product you love, explain to the people why it's awesome, and share it far and wide with your affiliate links. Amazon even pays you monthly just for promoting their products. So by sharing stuff on Instagram, for example, you start earning that affiliate commission. Some people are raking in thousands of dollars every month just by doing this. Now, here's a little secret. Some people buy products on Amazon, making videos about them and then return them. Amazon's return process is super easy and free, so it's no hassle at all. And hey, at the end of the day, you're helping Amazon by promoting their products, so it's a win-win situation. So if you're starting from scratch and need cash, this is exactly what you need to be doing. So if you're looking for a simple way to make money, affiliate marketing with Amazon could be your ticket to financial freedom. Number 6, let's dive into this side hustle that could bring in some decent cash. We've got print on demand. This one's great if you've got a good eye for design. You can create cool stuff like wall art, clothing, and moreover without ever having to hold inventory. Print on demand suppliers handle all the hard work for you. All you need to do is pick a niche, come up with some simple designs and start promoting them. And one of the best places to do that is Pinterest, because it's like a search engine for images and people are always on the lookout for unique products. Plus, you can link your products directly through your pin, making it super easy to get started. The key to success here is selling products that people can give as gifts. Number 7, if you love to cook or bake, why not start a YouTube channel about it? Seriously, people go crazy for cooking videos. Just look at this video of someone boiling an egg. It got over 5 million views. You can make passive income through your content, and that's just the beginning. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing, brand deals, and even selling digital products like ebook. And here's a tip. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Some of the best cooking channels just focus on the food. So go ahead, go and grab your grandma or your mum, record her cooking and start sharing your culinary skills with the world. Guys, I just wanted to share something super important with you. You can totally develop a winning mindset and make the most of social media. Because gone are the days of just being an influencer. Now it's all about having the courage to be yourself and go after what you want. I'm still pretty new to this journey myself, so let's do it together and aim for big wins. All you need are some smart strategies and a good understanding of how social media works and use it to your advantage. Seriously, there's never been a better time to start right now. And you certainly don't need to be in your teens or early 20s. And don't think it's too late to be in the game. I used to have those same doubts, but I'm so glad I ignored them. I hope these side hustle ideas have sparked some inspiration for you to start earning money online. What's great about them is that you can fit them into your busy schedule, whether you're a mom or dad or just have an hour a day to spare. Trust me, I know how overwhelming life can get, but if you make time for these side hustles and stick with them consistently, they'll pay off. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll try my best to respond to everyone. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.